Greetings to one and all watching this video. Mech Explanations welcomes you. Let us learn about allowance. In engineering and machining, an allowance is a planned deviation between an exact dimension and a nominal or theoretical dimension, or between an intermediate stage dimension and an intended final dimension. The unifying abstract concept is that a certain amount of difference allows for some known factor of compensation or interference. For example, an area of excess metal may be left because it is needed to complete subsequent machining. An allowance, which is a planned deviation from an ideal, is contrasted with a tolerance, which accounts for expected but unplanned deviations. Allowance is basically the size difference between components that work together. Allowance between parts that are assembled is very important. For example, the axle of a car has to be supported in a bearing, otherwise it will fall to the ground. If there was no gap between the axle and the bearing, then there would be a lot of friction and it would be difficult to get the car to move. If there was too much of a gap, then the axle would be jumping around in the bearing. It is important to get the allowance between the axle and the bearing correct so that the axle rotates smoothly and easily without judder. Thank you, and please lend your valuable support by subscribing this YouTube channel Mech Explanations.